Hello, are you looking for a field where you can earn thousands of dollars without having to worry about the product or customer service and sales automatically? Then let me show you the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So what is the difference between being a seller on TikTok Shop or an affiliate system? When using TikTok Shop, you will be harmful to dealing with the product, and you are the one who should search for the winning product, unlike affiliate marketing, which allows you to sell the product you want without needing to buy it. You only need to market it and earn a good commission. Therefore, your main role is to create attractive content that makes you sell. To create engaging content, you need to have information that allows you to do so. Therefore, I recommend using FastMoss because it contains a very large amount of information about TikTok Shop that you won't find anywhere else. So let's explore how we can earn thousands of dollars by using FastMoss. The main interface of the site appears like this and contains many important options for us. There are several options here, the first of which is live, where you find more options, the first of which is live search, and here you can search for the live you want. Secondly, there is the TikTok live rank option for more live sessions achieving sales with all the related information. There is also the top live products option, where you will find the best-selling products during live, along with all the information such as price and more. You can also choose the country and the field you want to search for. Finally, here you will find top live creators, and here you can see what the best influencers are promoting in the niche you want. This will give you information about the products that are sold. The next option is product, and here you will find several choices, the first of which is product search. Here you can search for the product you want and find all the details related to it, such as price, number of sales, and the revenue it has generated. You can get more details about the product's performance over the past 7 days, as well as the videos that the store operates with. If you do not have a specific product you want to work on, we move to top selling, where you will find a list of the best-selling products within a specific time frame of your choice, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Here you will also find accurate information about the product. If you click on a product, you will find all the information related to it, in addition to the content creators who sold it. There is also something that should not be forgotten, which is the classifications, and their importance lies in choosing the right audience for you. There is also the new listed option, which gives you the newly added products. Now we will move to another very important section, which is the creator search. Here you can search for the content creator and the niche, and view their details such as views and sales. There is a feature I really liked on the site that I see as a golden box, which is the growth rank. Here you can see the best content creators who achieve great performance, and through this feature you can study their stores, their videos, and discover the secret behind their large sales. What's also nice is that you can choose the best content creators in the field you want. Here is another feature, which is e-commerce creators. Here there are content creators who market products along with their specific information, such as the number of products they promote and their earnings. Well, what will we need all this information for? Simply put, all this information provided by FastMoss gives you an idea of the products that perform well, as well as what niche is suitable for you and how to create a video similar to a successful video that generates sales. The affiliate system has advantages such as the right to choose the product you want, and it is also easy to join. You will only need to create engaging content and earn profits time and again. You will find a link in the description box to get a free trial for 15 days. If you found this video useful, subscribe to the channel to receive new videos.